guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yaya. I am so glad that you guys are here today. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I set up my closet or how I organize my closet. So I just built this closet right now. I got it in a box at Home Depot for $60 and I put it all up, and now I have to put all my stuff back inside. And I was like, you know what, this is a great time to kind of like clean out my closet slash organize it. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take my friends along so that they see how I organize it, because I always get compliments on how my closets look because they are just really organized, because I tend to be a tad bit OCD. So I'm gonna show you guys some tips and tricks of how I organize my closet, and I'll just pause or whatever whenever I have to show you guys like what I'm doing, because I do tend to colorize. I do tend to do by style, or like, you know, section areas by style, and especially with the new closet, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, so follow along. And if you guys are so excited to watch this, and if you guys are a fan of OCDness and organization skills, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video, because your girl is obsessed with organization and making sure everything is nice, neat, and tidy. So let's get started. I just wanted to show you guys really quickly all the stuff that was in this tiny closet. Like, look at this. It's honestly ridiculous how much I am able to fit, including all of those shoes, that little thing right there, and all this clothes, and these purses. So all of that was in this tiny closet. How I managed to fit it, I have no idea. But hopefully with this new setup, it still fits, because I'm going to be really disappointed if I just went and got this whole new closet and it just doesn't even fit. So pray for me. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my dresses. And I'm going to put my dresses all in the left-hand side because there is not a second bar on the left side. So that is what I'm going to start with. And I'm starting with this dress, which was my prom dress. I'm so in love with this dress. I love red dresses. Like, ugh, I think they're so beautiful. And honestly, I don't even think this fits me anymore, but if I could squeeze into it, I would. It's so cute. Literally only wore it for prom. And it's so beautiful. It was like one of those high-low dresses. But doesn't it look like the one out of the emoji? I want to try it on so I could be like, emoji, like be that for Halloween. That's a good idea. Alright, you guys, so the first thing that I'm doing is I'm putting all my dresses and my rompers, and basically if I have any jumpers, on the left-hand side. And I like to go from like having no straps whatsoever, so strapless rompers, and then I'll go into spaghetti straps and then long sleeves. But I like to keep my long sleeve rompers with my dresses. So I did that same thing with dresses. I did spaghetti straps, and then I did the thicker sleeved ones, and then I did my long sleeve dresses at the very end. I also like to colorize while I'm doing this, so I will do kind of like a rainbow order, and I will go red, orange, yellow, green, you know, that kind of process. But I'll do that within each style. So I did that with my short sleeve shirts, and I did that with my long sleeve jackets at the bottom, and then I also did that with my dresses over here on the left hand side. And as you can see, I have some long sleeve dresses that I kind of just added at the end because they were pink, so I put those right there because I really don't have purple or anything like that. And then on the bottom right hand corner, I am doing all of my long sleeved shirts, and I put those in order. I colorized those, my pinks with my reds, because I just didn't want to put them after my blues, because I like the way that the blue like kind of just fell into the white and gray and black, and so I kind of just left it like that. You guys, so far everything is fitting. What? I am honestly super stoked right now. Like, I currently have like a basket full of just clothes that I had bought, but I hadn't like been able to fit it into the closet. And now, like, there is so much space for it. I'm like, shook. So I'm gonna hang up all of the other stuff that I had bought at the store and see how it looks in the closet. Okay, so this is later during the day after my lunch break. I was really tired, and so what I did for my jeans is I put all of my Miss Me jeans and like LA Idol ones, the ones with the big, you know, rock studs on the back
pockets, I put those all together and I put them at the very top, and then I colorized also my jeans. So I went from light wash, you know, to a darker jean. And then I put all my random colors like white, gray, or anything that had pattern in the third box. So that is how it ended up looking. I was really glad how it turned out, and it just feels so much better, and I just really love this closet. I love how it turned out, and I love the amount of space that it has. Definitely recommend it. So here's another overview. As you can see, I put all of my spaghetti strap ones at the very top, and then I kind of followed the same process with my long sleeve shirts, and then I did all of my shoes on the bottom. I put all of my dresses on the left hand side, and I actually ended up putting a shelf right above the dresses and putting like 4 of my Kate Spade purses up there because they're kind of bulky. But yeah, this is how it turned out. I like the way it's colorized and everything fits pretty well, so definitely recommend if you guys are in need of a closet that's not going to be like breaking your freaking bank account, go get this one. $60 at Home Depot. Totally recommend it. So that's much it.
Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to end it here. I hope I explained everything pretty clearly and you guys kind of get the point of what I was trying to do with my closet. I'm actually really satisfied with how it ended up. I'm gonna just end up putting a bunch of my sweats and stuff like that in drawers because I finally cleaned one out too, because I just was like, no, it can't go in here, it's not gonna look good. Anyway, so that is it for this video. If you guys like this video, make sure that you subscribe and that you give it a like or give it a thumbs up. Whatever. I'm so exhausted. And so I literally have been doing this all day. I'm sure you can tell by my hair, my makeup falling off and like turning into grandma, but that is it for this video. I hope you guys have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye!